Easy now, guide them down steady. Watch the pause, keep the line clear. Good work, they're adapting well.
Heart rate and lung function are optimal. Proceeding to skeletal analysis. Confirmed, neural pathways are clear, no anomalies detected. Excellent, let's run the full diagnostic overlay. Overlay initiated. See how the laser traces the pattern? It's precise down to the micron.
Impressive. What about the heat on this material?
The precision optics minimize it, and the airflow helps.
And the speed, it's much faster.
Exactly.
See this tiger pattern? The laser follows it perfectly. Impressive. How long for this sheet? About 5 minutes. Watch the precision. So smooth. This tech is amazing. This batch has a great yield. Agreed. Let's sort them by size.
The system shows the next run is ready.
Perfect. Let's clear this space.
The patterns are aligning perfectly. Production yield is up. Good. Let's verify the weave integrity on the prototype. I'll run the simulation now. Confirmed. No anomalies. We're clear for the next batch. Excellent work, team. See here? Keep the stripes aligned.
Got it. Adjusting now.
Good. Now guide it under the needle.
Starting the stitch.
Perfect. That's the seam.
Looks good. Look at this tiger stripe jacket. The fabric is premium.
Yes, it feels very durable. The pattern is sharp.
Exactly. The stitching is reinforced for quality.
Impressive. This batch will be top-notch.
This leather is premium grade. Feel how supple it is?
Yes, very smooth. What about the hardware?
All YKK zippers. They are durable and smooth.
Impressive. And the stitching?
Reinforced and consistent. Top quality.
These go to the high priority queue.
Okay. And the crane is handling the overflow?
Exactly. It's moving that pallet up now.
Looks like it's all under control.
Teamwork makes it happen. The sorting is efficient, but we need to optimize the packing speed.
I agree. I'll adjust the conveyor timing on the control panel now.
Perfect. That should help us hit the target. Definitely.
These packages are moving through the red zones now. Yes, the system is confirming their routes. All clear. Great, let's log the batch. Logging now. Scan complete, metrics are nominal.
Confirmed. Throughput is up 12%.
Initiating next cycle.
Ready? System is clear?
Cycle started, throughput is increasing.
Excellent. Monitoring.